What is up, everybody? It's me, Michael McCune, coming at you with another video. Today I'm doing an unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got the Xbox Series S birthday present. Yeah, because I got Mortal Kombat 1 with it too. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing and comment down below if you guys have the Series S. I'll add you on there, or you can add me on Xbox One too. I mean, same gamer tag, but yeah. So this is the Xbox. It's pre-owned, so small this thing is. I wanted to get the X, but it's just too much money. One side there. I'm literally filming this with one hand, y'all. Alright. There we go. Oh, nice and white. I like white. I like the color white. It's the same controller I had. Mine's blue. Got the cords to it. Everybody knows the cords, of course, but I like the controller, Nice controller, And here's the console itself. Right here. So, yeah, the Series S. Yeah. Nice ass console. I mean, looks like a damn refrigerator. A mini fridge, at least. But yeah. So that's the Xbox Series S. Yeah, so I'm gonna hook this bad boy up and yep, download Mortal Kombat 1, and yeah, so great console, looks cool, So, alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more. It's not very big, not a long video. I mean, there's the box, comes with it, so yep. Pretty cool. Yeah, I want to see how fast it is, if it's faster and better than the Xbox One. Because I got the original Xbox One, so. But yeah, this is the Xbox Series S, and I'm going to hook it up. A little short unboxing for y'all. Go ahead and hook it up. So, got the console set up here, right next to my Xbox One. There it is, it's all set up. Oh, power's not on the foot. There it is. Well, it's all plugged in, so hold on, y'all. I don't know, guys. Hold on. No, I just gotta. And I'll show y'all. some Mortal Kombat 1 gameplay and stuff like that. But hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please like and subscribe for more. Peace out, y'all. Comment down below what your gamer tag is. If y'all want to play Mortal Kombat 1, just comment down below. Peace out.